Multiplying and dividing with scientific notation. In this problem it says compute the following and give the answer in scientific notation. In the first problem we have multiplication. So when we have multiplication, what we do is multiply these first numbers together, and then we multiply the numbers 10 to the numbers 10 to the whatever power it is by the other number 10 to whatever power it is. So when we multiply 5 times 7, we get 35 here, and then when we multiply 10 times this 10 to the negative 1 power, what we do is add the exponents. When I add 2 plus negative 1, I get 10 to the first power Newton meters. But this is not in correct scientific notation. We have to remember to put the decimal point in between 3 and 5. So when I do that, 3.5 times 10 to the second newtons times meters gives me the answer in scientific notation. Now number 2 is a division problem. So what we do is the same thing, but we just divide these first two numbers, and then we divide 10 to the fourth power by 10 to the second power. So when we do divide 1.2 by 4.0, we get 0.3. And then when I'm going to multiply that by what I get when I divide 10 to the fourth power by 10 to the second power. What you do when you divide is you subtract the exponent. So I'm going to subtract 4 minus 2, and I get that the exponent is 2. So I have 0.3 times 10 to the second. But this is not an appropriate scientific notation because we have to have a number between 1 and 10. So I'm going to have 3.0 times 10 to the first power, which is going to give me the appropriate scientific notation answer for number